these are some of the books or the initiative that we have taken for junior KG and senior KG, as well as for playgroup and nursery. Right, so we have two brochures, separate brochures. We have done that intentionally, not to confuse people because of the number of books that we have. And why did we do this? To keep in line or to be in alignment with the national education policy, we have developed 9 books each for junior KG and senior KG, keeping in mind that the OLSRW, now remember this, LSRW is an age-old methodology or an age-old method for teaching languages. What we have done, we have incorporated the LSRW into not only for language learning or language development, but for overall learning in the first place. I learn anything by listening, speaking, reading, and writing. How is it different? Or why should it be limited only to language? Right? If I were to learn a topic in science, I would first listen to the teacher. Then probably I would try to speak it out, and then probably read it through a book and then write. Isn't it? That's the normal practice. And that should be the way in which I should learn. This is not taught. Unfortunately, in the schools, this is not taught today. It is important that we start focusing on that. But what we have added to LSRW is OLSRW, which is basically, even before I listen or speak, read and write, I observe. The observational skills start from the time the baby is not even born, in the womb itself. The observation skills of the fetus, of the baby inside the womb starts. If you ask me how do they observe, it is through listening. So the learning and observing starts much before I'm even born. So look at the beauty of the human development. And now we can probably correlate that, okay, maybe 85% of the brain development actually happens by the age of 6, because the brain development has actually started in the mother's womb itself. Right? Yes. So that is where we have looked up to the OLSRW. The observe, listen, speak, read and write. So if you look up to the brochure, if you read to what it is, it talks about all of this and how we have brought about the OLSRW integrated with our 3I methodology and brought about the recommendations of the 21st century skills, which is through the national education policy for an overall development of the child. Right? Okay. So nine books each in junior KG, senior KG, for a lot of conceptual learning, for a lot of integrated learning, for a lot of practice, for a lot of intercorrelation. Right? Okay. So, and the same holds good for playgroup and nursery, wherein we have 5 books for playgroup and 6 books for nursery. And then we also have the theme books. Right? So a lot of things, lot of options that we provide them, which is age appropriate and which is providing them with a lot of learning through activity, through play-based, and through a lot of colorful and visually appealing pages. Let's go a little forward. Okay. Now, what is learning? If somebody asks you, these are some talking points. Pre-academic abilities and skills are part of cognitive development. Cognitive development is my brain development, my thought process, my thinking, my abilities, right? So pre-academic abilities and skills are part of the cognitive development. The development happens, right? From the time that I'm born, there's a lot of development that's already happening. I don't have to go to a school for me to start developing all of these cognitive skills, which is mainly listening, observing, thinking, talking, right? All of this actually happens. So it is all innate. It is innate means it is inbuilt, it is inborn. Now, development starts from the from the time the child is born, which includes learning skills such as language, vocabulary, pre-reading, and numeracy. Children learn language even without going to the school, isn't it? Yes. Children learn the language to speak even much before they know how to read and write. Oh yes, that's the beauty. So I learn the language by observing and listening. So I don't necessarily need to know reading and writing. So that's the stage, or rather that is the step, initial step is observe, listen, and then speak, which will build the vocabulary of the children. Vocabulary is all about words, right? And that would lead to all the pre-reading. Pre-reading would be through pictures, through visuals, through colors, through activities of scribbling, freehand scribbling all over, coloring, right? Recognizing shapes, recognizing colors. All of these are something which are part of the learning process. And then I go to the literacy and numeracy, wherein then I get to the alphabets and then the numbers and all of it. So see, it has to be step by step. And that is exactly what we have incorporated in all our books, in the methodology basically. Okay, so the developmental area that involves thinking skills, which is a cognitive development, including the ability to receive, process, analyze, and understand information. Okay, this is what learning is. Okay, but for a child who is just 2, 2.5, or even 1, just before, even just after the child is born, what is it that they are receiving? They are receiving a lot of stimulus. What are they receiving? They are receiving a lot of noise, sound, words, touch and feel. They get to know who's who. They start recognizing them by words, by their voice, by their touch, and then by their looks, right? So there is a lot of receiving that's happening, and the brain is actually processing all this. Many a times you see that a baby doesn't like to be held by some particular people in the house, but they're very comfortable if a few of them lift them and cuddle them up, right? How is it that it happens? There is some processing and analyzing that's already happening. Oh, this touch, this person I don't like. They don't know how to hold. I'm not comfortable, right? They're not able to talk. They're not able to express, but the processing and analyzing is already happening. And that's how the understanding also starts building. See how beautiful and how interesting human development is. And we need to provide the right learning environment for such a wonderful living thing on this planet Earth, which is called human being.